Chennai Live.
This is Chennai Live 104.8 FM. My name is Tausif. You are tuned into the evening show, and we are kickstarting off Chennai Chatter happenings in the city for today's show with the Ability Fest. And yes, it's back in all its grand glory. Ability Fest is that, festival which I love, looking forward to every year, where we see people or differently able people come in, showcase movies based on them, and you get to meet them, and there's so much more. And yes, the Ability Foundation has been doing it every once in 2 years without fail. And yes, we've also been doing our best to promote their 60 seconds of fame. But no further, because here we have Jayashree Ravindran, who's the founder of Ability Foundation. Along with her, we have Janaki Pillai, who's the director of programs for the Ability Foundation, right here with us to talk about the Ability Fest and also 60 seconds to fame. Now, before we go on into the Ability Fest and what it's all about, first up, the Ability Foundation. Jayashree and Janaki, thank you so much for joining us here tonight. Tell us about the Ability Foundation.
Well, Ability Foundation began 20 years ago in 1995. Looking back, I must confess I'm really surprised that we have come through these 20 years, because right when we began, I think we were talking about a philosophy which in the disability sector at that time was not understood. We were talking about equality, equal access, equitable measures, and looking at people as people first, not disabled or non-disabled. So all that at that point of time, right from 96, 97, well, it was hard to get people to understand what we were talking about. But over the years, several cultural programs later, several other activities later, today I think we have come a really long way. Our activities range from education, employment, recreation, culture, policy, everything. From the outside, it may seem as if we are covering a gamut of activities, but everything actually focuses on one single goal, that is inclusion of people with disabilities in every aspect of life. A child with disability must enjoy school, same as any other child, and be provided the right opportunities that the child requires. What is required is a little sensitivity and some level playing field. And today we also have technology to help us. Similarly, in employment, we talk about employment based on qualifications, skills, and merit, not on reservations or CSR. If you have the right qualifications for the job, it shouldn't matter whether you have a disability or not. That kind of philosophy, to talk to others, to get corporates to listen to us, took a little time. But today, from person to person, 1:1 employment, we have around 225 corporates who keep coming back to us for people, more and more qualified people to employ. That is something that we are very, very proud of. Similarly, of course, we have this Ability Fest that we are now going to do by the end of this month. That's something, the smell of popcorn, the movies, the theater, that everyone loves to enjoy. The beauty, the power of the movies. Cinema is a very, very powerful medium. And just as anyone else, a person with disability too enjoys watching movies. And therefore, we make it possible in a very, very accessible environment, like the ramps in theaters for people on wheelchair, captioned movies for people who can't hear, and audio described movies, which are now coming up very, very well for people who can't see. That is something, the in-between dialogues of a movie, which is described in a very different voice. And today technology is such that you plug on your earphones of your mobile phone and listen to the beauty of whatever is happening on screen, not just the dialogue, which is a beautiful plus point for a blind person. So too in policy, we make sure that the person with disability has his right. No one is asking for special favors, nothing. They are just asking for their due, what you are due as a citizen of the country, as a member of society. So that is, in a nutshell, is what Ability Foundation is about.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know why I really love the Ability Foundation and also, in turn, the Ability Fest. When we come back, we talk about the Ability Fest. Stay tuned. This is me, Tausif, on the evening show, only on Chennai Live 104.8 FM, and you are tuned into Chennai Chatter right here. On Chennai Live 104.8 FM, my name is Tausif. You are tuned into the evening show, and it's time for Chennai Chatter, or happenings in the city, where we are in conversation with Jayashree Ravindran, who's the founder of Ability Foundation, along with Janaki Pillai, who's the director of programs. So here tonight to talk to us about the Ability Fest that's coming up. All right, wonderful ladies, thank you so much for joining us on the show once again. My quick question: we talked about the Ability Foundation. Let's come to the Ability Fest. What is the Ability Fest all about?
As Jayashree was saying, a big part of our work is to do with changing people's attitudes and perception about people with disabilities. And one of the key activities or events that we do, which are aimed at changing that perception, is Ability Fest, which we call the India International Disability Film Festival. We began it in 2005, and that was the first edition. And the idea was that in a country which is film mad, and you have people watching films across various genres, why not a film festival which focused on films by, with and about people with disabilities? So the idea is really bring in films from across the world which sensitively look at the idea of disability and present it to an audience, a general audience of people with and without disabilities, so that they go back with changed perceptions and attitudes. That was the basic idea of the festival. So today, the idea is also that one part of it is watching films. The other part of it is underlining the importance of access for people with disabilities. For example, I want to watch a movie, but I need to go to a theatre where my wheelchair can be taken in. And there are very few theatres like that in the city, if at all. Secondly, if I'm deaf and if I don't have captions on the screen, I don't understand anything that's happening. So I'm out of that. If I'm blind, I understand the dialogue that is being spoken if I know the language of the film. But beyond that, between the dialogue, so much is happening. I don't know that at all. So how can we, while organizing this festival, bring in these aspects of access as well? So just to give you an idea, we do the festival at Satyam Cinemas. And we make sure that the theatre itself is physically accessible, so wheelchair users can come in and out without a problem. We won't screen any film, even if it's in English, unless it's captioned, so that if you're deaf, you can understand what's happening. And more, we are introducing to films what we call audio description. Today in the USA, UK, Australia and countries like that, it's mandatory to have audio description. So what is that? So the dialogue is spoken, but as I said earlier, between the dialogue so much is happening. So blood is dripping, sun is setting, someone is running across the field. You don't know. So what happens is you pre-record and insert a narrative which describes what is happening on the screen. So even if you can't see, you're able to hear this description. So you get a full sense of what is happening on the screen. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So we try and do that with more and more films each time, so that blind people too have the same access to films that everyone else does. So those are the kind of objectives of Ability Foundation. So on the surface, yes, it's about the fun, about the movies, about just having a good time. But it's also about understanding these messages.
Ability Fest, ladies and gentlemen, if you have been there, no matter how grown up and mature you act otherwise, guaranteed that you will have tears when you leave the theatre, and that's the experience that I have year after year when I go to the Ability Fest. So don't miss out on that. It's coming up. There's more that we can ask these wonderful ladies for joining us here tonight. So stay tuned. Coming up on the evening show, it's time to find out about 60 Seconds to Fame and what that is all about. All that and more on Chennai Chatter with me, Tausif, on the evening show, only on Chennai Live 104.8 FM. On Chennai Live 104.8 FM. My name is Tausif. You are tuned into the evening show, and this is Happenings in the City, or Chennai Chatter, where we're talking about the Ability Fest, where we showcase movies made on differently able people, all thanks to the Ability Foundation and their effort every 2 years to bring this to us. Thank you so much. We have with us in the studio Jayashree Ravindran, who is the founder of Ability Foundation, and also Janaki Pillai, who is the director of programs. Now, moving on from the Ability Fest, time to talk about 60 Seconds to Fame. 60 seconds to create a poignant, sensitive portrayal of what it means to be differently able. How challenging is it to create that kind of a film?
Ability Fest per se takes place only in Chennai. And for us, it's so important to sensitize the whole of India on being inclusive, sensitive, not to have the thinking of pity or sympathy. And therefore, we came up with this idea of a 1-minute film competition. The broad theme of the competition is by and large inclusion and inclusive society. But each time we have this, we change the theme just to shift it here and there so that people get thinking on what is inclusion. We get entries from, this time we've got from 19 states across the country. People call us asking what is inclusion. People want to know what we mean by that. And for us, that is a big plus point. We want people to think. And for every 1-minute film made, there are at least half a dozen people making the film. And so it multiplies like that across the country. People send us entries. And for them, the bait is that the films are the shortlisted ones are being screened at an international film festival. Plus, the winners are judged by a very, very discerning jury, stalwarts from the film industry, as well as very well-known people with disabilities themselves, so that the jury itself is inclusive. And of course, there is also the prize money to reckon with. So it's a sense of competition that happens. It's a kind of a win-win situation where we are able to get across our philosophy, our aim in making people think, changing their mindset, and people come forward with interest and with inspiration. That is 60 Seconds to Fame. And soon after we receive these entries, once the last date for receiving the entry is crossed, the team shortlists the better ones, because sad to say, not everyone has the right mindset. It is always such that people still think in terms of pity and sympathy, and there is always a sadness associated with people with disabilities. We always have a blind man always wanting to cross the road. Why should all blind men have to cross the road, and things like that. We try to pick up the films which are sensitive to the theme of that year. And once that shortlist is done by this team, these shortlisted films are shown all the festival days, all the 4 days at Satyam. And the jury also meets on one day, and the jury selects the best 3, the winners, which are then announced on the last day of the festival.
Give us the specifics of the Ability Fest. How many days, how many movies, what can people look forward to when they come there?
This time, Ability Fest is held from the 28th of September to the 1st of October. 4 full days of 4 shows of beautiful film watching. And therefore, where 60 Seconds is concerned, announcements will be made on the 1st of October.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Free entry to the Ability Fest. That's how it is, you. So don't miss out on that. And yes, there's also a special guest who's coming in for the Ability Fest. We'll talk about her and more. Stay tuned. This is me, Tausif, on the evening show, only on Chennai Live 104.8 FM. And this is Chennai Chatter. This is the evening show with me, Tausif, on Chennai Live 104.8 FM, and you are tuned into Chennai Chatter, where we talk about happenings in the city. And yes, it's my proud privilege to present to you the Ability Foundation. In the house, we have with us Jayashree Ravindran, who's the founder, and also Janaki Pillai, who is the director of programs, and they are bringing to you the 6th edition of the Ability Fest, a series of movies which are showcasing differently able people and their lives, which is amazing. I've been there. It's one amazing experience, so I'm really looking forward to that. All right, people, the icing on the cake, there's a surprise I'm going to bring up. I'm going to ask Janaki about, but before that, Janaki and Jayashree, tell us, some of the special movies that you've chosen for the screening. Tell us about it.
So every edition of Ability Fest, we try and put together a good feast of cinema for the viewers in Chennai, and this year I think is no exception. As Jayashree said, the festival itself is from Monday the 28th of September to Thursday the 1st of October. So 4 days with 4 screenings each. So basically from 10 in the morning to 10 at night, you can watch films by, with, and about people with disabilities. It's completely a non-commercial festival, which means that we don't charge for entry. You do need to collect a delegate pass from us, which is available at the venue. The screening schedule itself is on our website, which is www.abilityfoundation.org, and it'll be up from Thursday, the 24th of September. So you can, pick and choose the films that you would like to see. We're happy if people are there every single day, so that's wonderful. This time we have some really amazing feature films. Just to mention a few, we have a couple from Iran. One is called The Painting Pool, which comes really highly recommended. Also, M for Mother. We have a film from the USA called Dolphin Tale, which is an out-and-out family entertainer, but very thought-provoking. And we also have a film from Germany, which is called Run If You Can, which is sort of funny and at the same time really thought-provoking. So those are the main features that we have. But we also have some amazing short films and documentaries which really trigger so much thinking in you. It's really amazing. So we have an Australian film called The Interviewer. We have another film from Canada, which is called A Whole Lot More. We have a French film, which is called I Sign, I Live. Very reflective sort of film. We have a film about a music icon, which is called Doc Pomus, aka Doc Pomus, which is again an amazing film. I mean, I could go on and on, but basically, come watch the movies, enjoy being there, and being sensitized about disability.
Wow, that's excellent. So the entry for all these movies is free. So what are you waiting for? Get in there. That's really something that we're looking forward to. But I'm curious. So when these movies are running, when are you going to slot in or play the 60 Seconds to Fame, movies which will be coming in, the entries for the 60 Seconds to Fame?
Along with every screening, in groups, the shortlisted films will be screened as well, and that was part of the schedule which you can see on our website. So basically, for every screening, you will have a selection of 60-second shortlist films, as well as the main features for that particular screening.
Wow, that's excellent. So, all right, now it's time for the icing on the cake. We're going to have a special guest at the Ability Fest and a special screening as well. Jayashree and Janaki, please tell us about that.
So the inaugural of the festival is always special for us. This year it's particularly exciting because one of our really special presentations at this year's Ability Fest is the film Margarita with a Straw, which has of course been acclaimed as one of the most sensitively made films on disability. And for the first time, it's being presented with audio description at Ability Fest. And Kalki is actually going to be there to inaugurate the festival this year. And we have a post-film discussion with the directors of the film and Revati. So that's a special evening as well.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Kalki Kachlao with Margarita with a Straw also coming in to inaugurate the Ability Fest.
Everyone who loves movies should just come and watch every screening of Ability Fest. It's a beautiful experience. People walk in as different people and walk out as different people. And it's not that disability has to be sad. There are such lovely comedies as well. People with disabilities live life too. And for us, all the support that we get from the people of Chennai, it's like a people's movement, like coming together, hand in hand, working together across the city, because we believe that an accessible society is not just for people with disabilities, it's for all people. So making society accessible is actually making the whole city accessible for every citizen. So that is the philosophy that we want to talk about. And of course, people who are interested in learning sign language now and then can just come, rush, and be with a sign language interpreter, learn how to sign their names or whatever else they want to learn. It's both fun and it's both extremely useful language to learn. So it will be a beautiful experience, I assure you.
It's 4 days of fun, frolic, and education, learning all rolled into one. It's really an amazing experience, and the range of films that you get to watch is absolutely spectacular. So I would really say drop everything you're doing and come there, be with us at the movies.
So there you have it, the 6th edition of the Ability Fest brought to you by the Ability Foundation. And please do go and see it. There's a lot of effort that goes into bringing these movies to you just so that we become a little more sensitive to all the differently able people around us. All is needed is just a bit of your time. So please go there, have a great time. Well, Jayashree and Janaki, thank you so much for taking time out and joining us here at the studio. This is amazing, and may God bless you with a lot more strength and courage to do what you're doing. That's all the time that we have for you on Chennai Chatter. And this is me, Tausif, on the evening show. We will continue. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.